Training and desensitization are important tools in managing noise sensitivity in Huskies. One approach that has been used to reduce the anxiety caused by loud noises is gradual desensitization, which involves slowly exposing the dog to the sounds that trigger its anxiety in a controlled environment. The goal of desensitization is to reduce the dog's reaction to the noise over time. This can be done by playing recordings of thunder or fireworks at a low volume, and gradually increasing the volume as the dog becomes more comfortable with the sound. Positive reinforcement techniques, such as rewarding the dog with treats or praise for remaining calm during the exposure, can help the dog associate the noise with positive outcomes rather than fear. However, this process can take time, and not all Huskies will respond equally to desensitization efforts. Another useful technique for managing a Husky's noise sensitivity is counter-conditioning, which involves changing the dog's emotional response to the trigger. For example, a Husky may learn to associate the sound of fireworks with a fun activity, such as playing with a favorite toy, or engaging in a treat-based game. The goal is to help the dog form a more positive association with the noise, reducing the intensity of the anxiety. Counter-conditioning requires patience and consistency, and it is most effective when combined with desensitization. The key is to create an environment where the dog feels safe and secure, even when faced with sounds that would typically cause anxiety. Calming products are also available that may help manage a Husky's noise sensitivity. These products include items such as anxiety wraps, like the Thunder Shirt, calming collars infused with pheromones, and certain medications that can help reduce anxiety. The Thunder Shirt works by applying gentle, consistent pressure to the dog's body, which can have a calming effect. Pheromone collars, which release synthetic calming scents, can also help reduce anxiety in some dogs. In more severe cases, veterinarians may prescribe medications to help manage a dog's anxiety during particularly stressful events, such as thunderstorms or fireworks. These medications can help lower the dog's stress levels and reduce the severity of the physical and behavioral symptoms associated with noise sensitivity. However, medication should always be used as a last resort and in conjunction with behavioral therapy, as it does not address the underlying cause of the anxiety. It is also important to provide safe spaces for Huskies during loud events. Many dogs with noise sensitivity feel more secure in a confined, quiet space where they cannot hear or see the triggering sounds. Creating a designated safe haven for a Husky during thunderstorms or fireworks, such as a crate or a quiet room, can help the dog feel more protected and less anxious. The safe space should be associated with positive experiences, such as providing the dog with treats, toys, or a favorite blanket. Encouraging the Husky to spend time in this space during non-stressful times can help them form a positive association with it.